Mouth-watering moist chocolate fudge cake. Very easy to prepare at home. I'll explain easy way to make this fudge cake at home. Try it once and you'll definitely love it. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special chocolate fudge cake. This cake rich in chocolate and chocolate flavor, and for this recipe I'm going to use homemade chocolate which I made from cocoa beans. Let's start our recipe by chopping the chocolate. Take 180 grams of dark chocolate and chop it finely. Here I'm using homemade dark chocolate which I made from cocoa beans. You can use 65% dark chocolate from market. After cutting chocolate, drop it in a bowl. Place the bowl on hot water and add 110 grams of unsalted butter. Now melt the chocolate and butter. When chocolate and butter melts and combines well, add 75 ml of milk and mix well. When chocolate and milk combines well, we'll add cocoa powder for extra flavor. Here I'm adding 15 grams of cocoa powder. Mix well. Butter should not have any lumps. Now we will separate egg yolk and white. Egg yolk we will add to chocolate mixture and egg white we will keep aside. Add yolks to the chocolate mixture and mix well. When yolk combines well with chocolate, add 30 grams of powdered sugar and 3 ml of vanilla. When sugar mixed well, sift into the chocolate mixture 75 grams of all-purpose flour. Mix flour and chocolate mixture. Be sure that there are no lumps in the batter. When flour mixed well with the chocolate mixture, keep this ball aside. Take egg whites and start to beat with hand mixer. Take 60 grams of powdered sugar, add gradually and continue to mix. When you take out the mixer, meringue should have standing peaks. Now add meringue to the chocolate mixture gradually and mix slowly in cut and fold method. After meringue mixed well with the chocolate, drop this batter into loaf mold. Here I am using 22 cm long, 10.5 cm wide and 5.5 cm deep silicone mold. If you are using metal mold, align the mold with parchment. Now bake in preheated oven at 150 degrees for about 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, our cake is ready. Now take out from the oven and let it cool down completely in the mold. After cools down, take out from the mold. For glazing, here I am using chocolate syrup. You can use any type of melted chocolate as per your wish for ganache. Look at the texture, how moist the cake is. It's so creamy and chocolatey. To enjoy the chocolate as maximum, this chocolate fudge cake is the best option. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.